These AI videos are absolutely everywhere right now. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. They're incredibly satisfying to watch. People can't stop watching them till the very end, and some creators are getting insane views with this simple content format. But here's the crazy part. Most people think this trend only works for cars or bikes. It doesn't. You can create helicopters, airplanes, robots, construction vehicles, basically anything with mechanical parts. And once you understand this workflow, you'll never run out of content ideas again. The best part, you don't need expensive software, you don't need any editing experience, and you definitely don't need paid AI tools. I'm going to show you the exact process I use, step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to create these videos yourself. So let's jump straight into it. All right, so the first thing we need is an idea. Now, you could sit there thinking about different vehicle concepts one by one, but honestly, that's just a waste of time. Instead, I've created a master prompt that does all the hard work for us. It can generate ideas for cars, bikes, helicopters, airplanes, construction vehicles, and pretty much anything you can think of. So go ahead and copy the master prompt. Don't worry, you'll find it in the description below. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. In just a few seconds, it'll ask you to choose a category. For this example, I'm going with a car, but you can literally pick anything you like. As soon as you select your category, ChatGPT will generate 10 different ideas for you. And if none of them stand out, just type more, and it'll instantly generate another fresh set. I'm really liking this one, so let's go with it. Once you select your favorite idea, ChatGPT will automatically generate 2 detailed prompts for you, one for creating the image and another for animating it. And trust me, these prompts make a huge difference. Instead of getting random results, you'll end up with a much cleaner image and a far more satisfying animation. All right, so we have our prompts ready. Now it's time to generate the image. For this video, I'm using Flow AI because image generation is completely free, so you can generate as many images as you want until you're happy with the result. Just paste the image prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and generate a few different versions. Don't just pick the first one. Compare a few results and choose the cleanest image, because the better your starting image is, the better your final animation will look. Once you've picked your favorite image, click on Animate, paste the video prompt, make sure you've selected the Omni Flash model, then set the video duration. For this example, I'm using 10 seconds. Once everything is set, simply click Generate and let the AI do the rest. Now, one thing you should know, image generation is unlimited, but video generation on the free plan comes with a daily credit limit. So don't waste those credits testing random images. Spend a little more time choosing the best image first, then use your credits to animate that one. And if you have more than one email account and the platform allows it under its terms, you can also keep separate free accounts for different projects. It gives you more flexibility without rushing through your daily credits. It's a small workflow tip, but it'll save you a lot of time and help you get the most out of the free plan. All right, our video is ready. And honestly, this is the moment that decides everything. If you picked a good image, you'll notice that all the parts come together really smoothly. And that's exactly what makes these videos so satisfying to watch. Take a look at this. As you can see, the animation looks really clean, the movement feels natural, the quality is great, and this is exactly the type of content people enjoy watching till the end. Now, don't worry if your first result isn't perfect. AI isn't going to nail it every single time. If you notice any weird movement or missing parts, just generate another version. Sometimes the second or third result turns out much better than the first one. Once you're happy with the final result, simply download it in the highest quality available. Now here's the fun part. This workflow doesn't stop at just one vehicle. You can use the exact same process to create motorcycles, helicopters, airplanes, robots, construction machines, or anything else you can imagine. You're not learning how to make one type of video. You're learning a workflow that can give you unlimited content ideas. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you one quick piece of advice. Don't limit yourself to just one type of vehicle. Once you understand this workflow, you can create motorcycles, sports cars, helicopters, airplanes, robots, construction machines, trains, pretty much anything with mechanical parts. That's what makes this trend so exciting. You're not learning how to create just one video, you're learning a workflow that can give you endless content ideas. If you're planning to post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different objects, different prompts, and different camera angles. Sometimes the smallest change can completely transform the final result. And remember, don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Add your own creativity, test new ideas, and create something people haven't seen before. That's how you build an audience that keeps coming back for more. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It helps the channel reach more people who want to learn AI. And if you want to discover more viral AI trends, powerful AI tools, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe because I've got a lot of exciting videos coming your way. Also, let me know in the comments, what should I create next? I'd love to hear your ideas, and who knows, your suggestion might even become my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.